Good evening, dear students. As we all know that the school is closed, so we thought we could conduct your lessons via video upload so that you continue to learn and grow even as you sit at homes. So I have prepared a German lesson for you today, but before we begin that, let me tell you a few important things. First, I would recommend you to use the pause and rewind button again and again as you watch this video. There will be a lot of captions which could be very helpful for you to assimilate the information that is given in the video. Secondly, with the rewind button, you can listen to the pronunciation of a particular word again and again and practice it until you get it exactly right. The other thing is that these videos can be used by anybody who is interested in learning the German language, irrespective of whether they have any prior knowledge of the language or not. So let's begin. It may feel a little strange to have the lessons conducted in this way, but I'm sure we'll get used to it very soon. As for myself, I just have to imagine you're on the other side of the camera looking at me. Vaibhav and Vihan, stop talking. See, I'm already getting a feel for it. So jokes aside, let's begin. The topic for today is the weather. Das Wetter. Das Thema für heute ist das Wetter. So, das Wetter is the German word for weather. Das Wetter. Die Sonne is the sun, die Wolke the cloud, die Wolken the clouds plural, der Regen the rain. Wie ist das Wetter? How is the weather? Wie ist das Wetter? How is the weather today? Wie ist das Wetter heute? Heute is the German word for today. Gestern is the German word for yesterday. And morgen is the German word for tomorrow, which also happens to be the German word for morning, as you already know. So gestern is yesterday, today is heute, and tomorrow is morgen. Coming back to our topic. Wie ist das Wetter? Das Wetter ist schön. The weather is beautiful, referring to a sunny day. Es regnet. It's raining. It's snowing. Es schneit. Es ist windig. Das Wetter ist windig. The weather is windy, or it's windy simply. The temperature is die Temperatur. Die Temperatur. Es sind 20 Grad. It's 20 degrees. It's hot today. Es ist heiß heute. Or it's warm today. Es ist warm heute. Es ist kalt. It's cold. I am feeling cold. Mir ist kalt. Are you feeling cold? Ist dir kalt? An umbrella is called der Regenschirm. A rain jacket is called die Regenjacke. If you are talking to someone, let's say over the phone, and you want to ask them how is the weather at their place, you would say, Wie ist das Wetter bei dir? Wie ist das Wetter bei dir? Bei dir is a German phrase often used, refers to something like with you or at your end. So, wie ist das Wetter bei dir? How could you answer that if somebody asks that to you? Wie ist das Wetter bei dir? Bei mir ist das Wetter gut. Or bei mir ist das Wetter nicht gut. The weather is not good here where I am. As I said, it's raining, es regnet. And if you want to turn that into a question, is it raining? Regnet es? It's snowing. Es schneit. Turning that into a question, schneit es? In case you're wondering about this earphone, this is just so that you can enjoy or endure the lesson in a slightly better audio quality. Fog is called der Nebel. Der Nebel. It's foggy today. Es ist neblig heute. Neblig. Es ist neblig heute. Es blitzt und donnert. There's thunder and lightning. Now let's have a look at the nouns that we learned in this topic. So, the weather, das Wetter, the cloud, die Wolke, fog, der Nebel, rain, der Regen, snow, der Schnee, sun, die Sonne, umbrella, der Regenschirm, rain jacket, die Regenjacke. What else? And the temperature, die Temperatur. So I think we can stop here today. Do practice what we have learned today, and as I said at the beginning of the video, please make use of the rewind button and the pause button to practice the sounds that you hear during the video and repeat them until you get your pronunciation exactly right. and I'll be back soon with another video. Till then, hopefully you will have mastered the content that I have provided in this video. Also, if you are on the phone with your friends, try using some of the sentences that we have learnt in the class today, because the real test of your language skills of any language is what you can actually use in your daily life, and not what you learn in a classroom. So please try to use this whenever you are on the phone with a friend. And so let's stop here now. I wish you a very nice evening. Einen schönen Abend. Auf Wiedersehen. Bye. See you next time.